Her beauty softly glows like an endless flame dancing through the wind, captivating every heart that stops to gaze. Her seamless beauty stretches beyond the horizon, timeless and endless beneath the golden sky. The soul of the earth. Oh, what a wonderful world we live in, where nature sings in color, light and silence, and every moment feels touched by magic.